I gotta sip some water. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of the MakeupShayla and ColourPop Proceed with Caution. I just pretty much wanted to share my thoughts on the collaboration and just give you guys a makeup tutorial as a bonus. It's not a first impressions. I already opened and used the palette. Not sure if you can tell. I'm gonna try and jump right into the video. I feel like I'm a little bit rusty. It's been like a month or 2 months since I shot a video. I feel like I needed a break. I needed a break just for myself, and I was working a whole lot of hours. I wasn't feeling like myself. I was a tad bit depressed, and I had all this anxiety. I just needed a moment just to gather myself together, and I feel like I'm in a better space, better mood, to come back and start making videos again. So I missed you guys. I hope you guys missed me as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so let me know what you think. Let me know if you grabbed the collaboration. First things first, first thing we should probably talk about is a palette. So you see what it looks like. So it's Proceed with Caution, and boom, that's what you get for colors. Like, take a look at that yellow, guys. Like, it's a really beautiful palette. I feel like you can make like really simple looks or neutral looks, and you can glam it up. And everyone's favorite gold is on there. You got a nice reddish brown. This one is interesting. It's called Warning. And all the colors are quite pigmented. I'm going to try to swatch them here. So it's called Hazard. Hazard's beautiful. I'm very bad at swatching. I'm not even sure if you guys can see. But I need to do it at the back of my hand. Let's try. This is Real. Ooh. This is Caution. Culture. And then we've got a black. This one's called Gloves On. There you go. This is not the best swatch, but I'm pretty sure you guys get the point. It's pigmented, that's all I'm trying to say. I wasn't expecting to less from Shayla. We all know MakeupShayla is she's a queen. She knows her shit. And then there are actually 2 blushes. There's Construct. This is what it looks like. And then we've got Whistle While You Work. This wouldn't really be my to-go. Like, I wouldn't really necessarily just pick this blush and like, oh, I love it, I'm gonna use it. But I've tried it on and it's very flattering. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually good. And I think it's a little too bright for a dark skin girl, but it's actually beautiful. Okay, with this collaboration they also included 2 lipsticks. There is a Nude, which is an ultra satin lip, and this one's called Slow Down. And then we have more of like a pink nude, and this one's called Speed Up. I see what you're doing there, Shayla. And then she also included matching lip pencils, which someone like me needs, because I don't know, I'm kind of like, I don't say I'm stingy with my money, but I don't know. There's just something about lip pencils. I just can't justify spending my money on them. Like, you know what I do instead? I just get like a darker brown lipstick and line my lips with it, and then I just rub like a liquid lipstick, and it works fine. I mean, if you're broken, they'll fix it. But I finally have 2 usable lip pencils. Thank you, MakeupShayla. So this is Slow Down. That's the liner, and that's the lipstick. Speed Up, which is a darker brown. I feel like I prefer this pencil. And then you've got the lipstick. If you're looking for like more swatches and more details on the products, I feel like the best bet to be to go onto MakeupShayla's channel and check out her video. For me, I'm just gonna run through with it. I'm gonna first start by moisturizing my skin, and I use the Measurable Difference. This is a vitamin E oil. Next, I'm gonna use my Eloise Get Glow Illuminating Liquid. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I don't be out here looking all crusty, so let's apply some lip gloss to the lips. I envy people with like naturally pink lips because it's a struggle for me. Like, my lips are naturally black. Who knew that was a thing? Anyways, this lipstick is from Appeal. This is the holographic lip gloss. I just got this, I think, from last month's BoxyCharm. I am now obsessed with BoxyCharm. You guys let me know if you'd like to see a video like a BoxyCharm, like a monthly BoxyCharm, you know, video. Next, I'm gonna apply my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 30. Just gonna brighten those eyes. To contour my face, my usual Espresso by Fenty Beauty. Sometimes I forget to blend like my chin. I'm like, oh my god. I hope you guys don't notice in my videos. I get lazy sometimes. Ooh. I'm loving the nose contour. Yeah. We're gonna set this all up using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Anyways, I'm gonna start by using gloves on. I'm gonna use a flat brush and I'm gonna pack that onto my lids. Oh my gosh! Whew. Just gonna see, tap, 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 tap. This is just beautiful. Like, I have no words, MakeupShayla. And I'm just tapping it onto my lids. I'm making sure not to go above my lid. So now that we've packed on the black and we look good, almost, we're gonna go ahead and blend. And I'm gonna first start by using, I think, let's use Maintenance, this one. I'm gonna go back again with gloves on and I'm gonna apply that back to the lids because we've lost some color. And I'm gonna go into Culture. For my brow bone, I'm going to be using Proceed. For my inner tear duct, we're going to use the yellow. We're going to use Caution. Ooh. I really love Caution. It's like a neon yellow. And I'm just going to be like extremely generous with this because I want it to be like a pop of color. You know what I mean? I want this to be really intense, so I'm going to go into the same dark eyeshadow. I'm just going to sweep that underneath my... Oh my god, I can't speak today. I'm just going to sweep that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to go in slightly into Maintenance. And I'm just going to sweep that as well. Okay, so these are the two blushes in the collection. We've got Whistle While You Work and we've got Construct. I would usually lean towards Construct, like I said earlier, but for this video I'm just going to show you guys how this one looks because I feel like there's so many blushes like this for like dark skin girls. This is what we're used to, but this one's a little brighter. It's just as flattering. I love that all the products have mirrors on there, like MakeupShayla, you get me. I like to start a little bit away from the cheek and then go closer. Using the smile. I'm not sure you guys can see. As you can see, I am rosy, I'm cheeky, but I still look cute. Important, guys, very important. And to highlight my face, I'm going to be using Purple Dream, and this is by Artist Couture. I have never really used any of their products before. This is the first time. I got it from my, I think, last month's BoxyCharm. Again, it comes out kind of like pinkish. I'm not sure if you can see. Pink, purple-ish highlighter. I never really thought like this would work. I always tend to stick with my gold highlighters, but this actually looks good. Or am I dreaming? I'm gonna spritz my face. I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu. Is it Badescu? I don't know how to pronounce it. The Mario Badescu facial spray. This one has rose water in it. And while that's like marinating, you know, we're gonna go ahead and apply a lipstick. I'm gonna use the Speed Up Lip Pencil and I'm gonna use the Slow Down Lipstick. If you catch my drift. Okay. I feel like I lost my inner tear duct. I'm gonna have to reapply it. Okay guys, so I just went off camera and I applied my lashes. These lashes, let me go grab the case. Okay, these lashes, guys, I can't even pronounce it. How do you say it? Halpan Eye Collection or eye makeup collection. I just got this off Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link below to the lashes. It comes like with a set of 2. Also comes with a mirror. You guys know how obsessed I am with mirrors. This one's kind of backwards. I tried to wear this yesterday, but it just didn't work out. But anyways, it comes with a set of 2. So there's this one, which is a little bit, how do I say? It's not as fluffy or as full. And these ones are just like, take a look at this, guys. Like, so beautiful. I feel like it's been a while since I did a smoky eye tutorial. This is actually one of my favorite looks, but I don't wear it as much anyways because I don't think I can wear as much makeup as I used to. I feel like you grow older and you don't even have the time, you know, except for like going out, which is like probably maybe twice in a year. You know, usually I'm just going out to eat or going to the club. There are barely any like major events that I would, you know, have to like go full on glam for. But yeah, I hope this look was, you know, quite inspiring. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am loving my lashes. I'm loving my hair. Come to think of it, I don't think I ever made a video about this hair, so you guys let me know if you'd like to see a hair review. The lipsticks, I think I wore it all through. I think I've been using like Slow Down ever since I got it. I got it like 2-3 weeks ago. I've been wearing it ever since. Speed Up, I don't use as much like I said, but yeah, it's also a nice pretty lipstick if you're looking for that shade or looking for that color. The palette itself, it's not really like my reach to palette or my go-to palette, but it has like really beautiful colors in there. Fallout is a little more than I anticipated or more than I liked, but other than that, everything's good. The shades are well pigmented. I do find that the yellow, like the pigment, decreases over time, but you know, you just pretty much have to just reapply here and there, so I'm not really gonna complain about that. Other than that, everything else good, perfect, love it. I really love the pictures on Instagram. I love the whole concept of the palette. Like, it was beautiful. I'm just proud. I don't know, I used to see other people win. I'm so proud of MakeupShayla. Like, I don't know. I can only imagine what it feels like to have your own palette. I can only imagine. I hope one day I have mine, but for now, I hope you guys like the look that I was able to create from her palette. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, don't forget to leave all your comments in the comment section. I will chat with you guys and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!